Guys, good day and welcome to our space revamping episode here in AZURE North Tower. And with me is Miss Ange and Anthony Allen. They are the SPA of our client in Singapore. So today is the turnover day, so let's get in.
Yay!
Come in.
So excited.
Welcome home!
Oh, wow! I'm so happy for my clients.
All of this.
I'm so happy for the clients kasi for sure magugustuhan nila to. Sobrang ganda. Look at this letter. Ang ganda. Parang this is bago. Sobrang bago sa lahat ng nakikita ko.
And the designs, of course, here in Manila Interior, we make sure na every unit is uniquely designed and tailored according to, of course, clients and owners' design perspective.
I'm sure yung mga clients mo, Ma'am Krish, happy din.
Yeah.
Lahat ng clients mo.
So this setup is free na, including the whiskey.
Oh!
Never think that?
The entertainment area, we put floating cabinet, ayan. The bed, so we have pull-out bed here, ayan, so single lang po siya. And then the headboard. Of course, yung request ni client, no, we put a wall lang. Have here the what do you call this, ottoman, so with storage siya, they can put stuff here. And then we have the humidifier. It's free. Everything here is free. Ayan, yung mga
Sobrang, yung favorite part ko dito is this one. Because of the color, yung combination ng color niya.
yeah. Even may black color, hindi siya
Hindi siya
dark.
off. Hindi siya off. Sobrang ganda. The gold. And what do you call this, ma'am?
This is the PVC fluted panel. And this finish niya. How about you, Attorney Allen? Part of this room yung pinaka-favorite?
So like overall, because of the modern feel of the room and
It's very homey also.
combination of colors. You have gold there, you have white there, and yeah, it just feels really modern and homey.
Of course, yung keyword na hotel vibe.
Yes, hotel vibe. Yun nga, yung gusto ng Azure daw, parang you're living in a hotel, condominium. By the beach, right there.
Yes.
Tapos ang ganda pa kasi ng view ng ano dito.
Oo, super ganda ng view.
We have the pool view.
Ganda pa ng sunset dito.
Yes.
Lalo pag nasa light. So, I'm sure yung mga clients ko, yung mga owners na tong unit na to will be very, very happy once they visit their unit.
And I'm sure that the clients here will be very much surprised and
With the outcome. Kaya sobrang recommended pa talaga yung Manila interior. Ang bulol ko pa, no? Sobrang recommended siya kasi, you know, yung designs, iba-iba talaga siya. So, every client will feel very special with their, unit.